How to add money to your Revolut account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add money to your Revolut account. So to do that, first of all, open the Revolut app on your mobile device and then simply enter the passcode in order to log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you can see the option add money just below your current balance. So in order to add money to your Revolut account, simply tap on it. After that, you'll have to enter the amount you want to add. So let's say you want to add $100 or £100 to your account. Simply enter that over here, and if you want, you can also change the currency. For now, I'll simply leave it to British pound. Now once you've done that, you'll have to tap on the option change, and now you'll have to link one of these three in order to add money to your Revolut account. So you can either add your debit card, or if you want, you can also set up your Apple Pay, and if you want, you can also enter your bank account and then transfer money from your bank account to your Revolut account. So those were the ways on how you can add money to your Revolut account. Now once you've chosen one of these, tap on the option add securely, and then you'll have successfully added money to your Revolut account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.